This blonde cat tasted grilled meat for the very first time, and she completely lost it. Watch her turn into a tiny wild tiger protecting her prey. Don't look, don't touch. This barbecue is HRS, and absolutely no human or cat is getting a bite. I'm so sorry, Blonde. I'm bothering you a lot. But I have to take a piece of meat from you and put it in the cardboard box. I'll use cardboard or food, not my hands, so you don't hurt yourself. And you're making a mess.